Hello everyone, and welcome back to Affirming Abundance. Today is a special day as we commemorate the birth anniversary of one of the most influential spiritual leaders and thinkers, Swami Vivekananda. In this video, we'll explore some of the profound positive affirmations that Swami Vivekananda shared, which can inspire and guide us towards a purposeful and fulfilling life. So, let's dive in. Swami Vivekananda's positive affirmations for a purposeful life. Swami Vivekananda emphasized the importance of self-realization. He believed that understanding and connecting with our true selves is the key to unlocking our full potential. The first positive affirmation is to remind ourselves daily that I am not the body or mind, I am the immortal soul. Swami Vivekananda encouraged us to be fearless in the pursuit of our goals and dreams. Repeat after me, I am not afraid of storms, for I am learning how to sail my ship. This affirmation reminds us that challenges are opportunities for growth and learning. Service to others was a core principle in Swami Vivekananda's teachings. Repeat this affirmation, I am here to serve others selflessly, and in doing so, I serve the divine within me. Remember, acts of kindness and compassion have the power to transform not only the lives of others, but also our own. Swami Vivekananda celebrated the idea of unity in diversity. Repeat this powerful affirmation, I embrace diversity, recognizing the divine in all beings, and find unity in the tapestry of humanity. Let's strive to build bridges and foster understanding among people of different backgrounds. Positive thinking was a cornerstone of Swami Vivekananda's philosophy. Repeat after me, I am the master of my thoughts, and I choose positivity over negativity. My thoughts shape my reality, and I manifest positivity in my life. As we celebrate Swami Vivekananda's birthday, let's integrate these affirmations into our daily lives. By doing so, we can cultivate a mindset of self-realization, fearlessness, service, unity, and positive thinking. Thank you for joining us on Affirming Abundance. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, stay positive and purposeful. Arise, awake, and stop not until the goal is reached.